Hi, this is Colleen Bird. I am here to discuss my technology training plan to be implemented within the 2022-2023 school year. This is going to take place in Montgomery County Public Schools, specifically at Bells Mill Elementary in Potomac, Maryland. We're working on in we are working on giving a professional development course throughout the school year to help the staff be able to use technology in their classroom to support student learning in different ways. So like we said, the goal is to enhance student learning. We want to work on having a higher achievement rate and addressing troubleshooting needs that staff may have. So we are working with the smear model approach, and the evaluation will be taking place with the Kirkpatrick model of evaluation. We're using ISTE standards, specifically the collaborating one for the students and staff. So I want you to take a look a little bit more to learn about our
Technology
approach.
has the power to transform student learning. But what happens when it doesn't? What happens when that class set of iPads is nothing more than a class set of really expensive digital worksheets? The SAMR model tackles these issues with a focus on the intersection of technology and pedagogy. This model has 4 different layers, the first 2 focusing on enhancing the learning task, while the next 2 layers focus on actual transformation. With substitution, the technology acts as a direct substitute with no significant change. So a student typing an essay on a computer is merely swapping out paper for a laptop. With augmentation, the technology acts as a substitution with some functional improvement. So that same essay is now done on a Google document with the ability to have classmates leave comments on one another's work. With modification, technology allows for significant task redesign. So that same essay is now a blog post. Students are doing research online, editing on a shared document, and publishing to an authentic audience. It is no longer an essay. It is an article crafted for the world. With redefinition, the technology allows for new tasks that were previously inconceivable. So that same essay is now a multimedia package. Students are not only researching online, but connecting with experts through video conferencing. They are co-writing their posts with a digital blogging cohort from around the world. And they are producing not only a blog post, but also a corresponding podcast and an edited video. Notice that the higher up you move through the SAMR model, the more transformative the technology task becomes, both in terms.
So we are working on transforming the use of technology in the classroom. We want to gain access to technology to build this new sense of community to enhance student learning. And by using this approach, we will be able to transform how technology is used in the classroom. I performed a need analysis survey. There were about 10 questions. It was given to 30 staff. 19 staff were able to respond. The main goal of this was to find out what the need for professional development was, what the staff feels like they would benefit from. So there were a lot of different responses. You can see that there are a need for wanting to learn technology that will support instruction, troubleshooting, and to learn new platforms that will support instruction. Another important thing was to know what the takeaway of the professional development, to feel like they really were able to do it. So having a hands-on approach was something that is important to the staff, and it's important to me as a trainer as well. So the need for this training is that staff is looking for new tools to be successful. We want to implement technology in a way that's going to enhance student learning and student engagement within the classroom. Our goals are to learn new platforms such as Nearpod and Seesaw. We'll revisit Google Classroom and how we can use that to enhance student learning. We want to give staff the hands-on experience to be able to use these platforms without having to feel like they're going back into the classroom and having to do all this research on this platform. They're going to get that hands-on experience to be able to use it and to show how we can use curriculum within technology to enhance that curriculum to make it more engaging. And we also want to focus on some troubleshooting things. We would like to provide a cheat sheet that will give staff a review of what they learned. So this is a schedule we're going to use our traditional school year. Each month is going to be a specific topic. We're going to learn about many different things. It's going to mainly take place Tuesday mornings and Thursday mornings at the beginning of the month. The budget is a little pricey, but we are working on having a professional development plan that is going to really make a difference. So the total is going to be about $5,300 since Chromebooks are available to staff now. So why should we do this technology plan? Why should we allow it? Because it's going to benefit this, not only the staff, but the students are going to gain this extraordinary experience with technology, and there's going to be a lot more engagement, and a lot of students are going to learn problem solving skills. Staff is going to learn problem solving skills. It's going to be excellent. And here is my contact info. Thank you.